guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys because we are going to be trying out the Lucky Charms palette and brushes. It's mainly like a palette collection because I wasn't able to get like any more because I really wanted the colored pencils, but we couldn't get it. But if you want to see how I created this look, my signature look using the Lucky Charms Morphe collection, then keep on watching. Okay, I know you guys can't really tell, but we're at my makeup table. I moved some things. By the way, I did my face makeup because we are doing the eyes mainly with these and this. So I was able to get, by the time I actually ordered it, I have this. Oh. And it's beautiful, guys. I mean, like, just look. Hashtag new rainbow palette. Like, I love it.
Sorry, I'm like really hyper right now. I haven't done drag in a minute.
And look at this cute little bag.
These were more expensive than the palette, but I'm thinking it's because of this little bag. Also, gotta get that little snack out for later.
Bruh.
Cute little case. Oh my god, also Claire's was selling like a Lucky Charms like stuff, and I was able to get like a water bottle and it has like the same kind of thing, so I'm feeling like very on brand, very here for it. So we are doing the signature Lucky Charms makeup. Ooh, I definitely want to go in with this brush first, the green one, because it has this little point. This is so funny. And then I want to go in with, I think I want to go in with these three right here in a way. So I'm going to start with this one, the leprechaun color, and then I'm going to go in with clover, and then eventually go into enchanted forest to deepen it all up. But I'm so excited, you guys. Let's see how this green is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh. Ooh, loves it. I love that it also has like a deeper, like you can kind of deepen it up. Yeah, just like blend some crunchies. I love this palette, guys. I'm like so excited. I'm like on one today and talking so fast. Okay, we're gonna chill out. So, I really like the palette. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh, and like, if you guys didn't notice, like, oh, just like the way it looks. OMG.
They're always after me, Lucky Charms.
Oh, but I also want to put a disclaimer out that I don't stand Morphe whatsoever. I know, like, I didn't even want to buy the brushes because I've had them before and they're not that good. And then also, the fallout's pretty good though. There's like no fallout and I'm able to get it all in the brush. And then there's like none really falling onto my face, even though I do have like a bunch of powder, so it would catch it anyway, so I'm not too worried. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about Morphe. We're just going to act like this is Lucky Charms makeup. OMG, that is so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with a clean brush. This little like highlighting almost brush. It's like the yellow brush. And then I'm just going to diffuse those lines and blend that out. So if you get any eyebrow sweat while you're doing drag, just like blend it in. I swear it'll look hot. But yeah, I really like to go in with my lighter color and then go in with that darker green. So we are going to go in, and I want to do a little bit of a tinier brush so I can really focus it. And we're going to go in with this color called Clovers, and we're just going to deepen up that situation. And just really deepen up those parts that we need to like be the eye shape. So I'm gonna go more out like that. Really solidify that double wing as a part of the shape. And then you're gonna add a little bit of that right in that little pocket where you wanna create the crease. So I just follow my natural nose stuff, so you could probably just follow that or a little bit more in, you know, kind of snatcher. Sometimes it is better to go in with that clean brush again so you get those diffused lines without continuously taking the eyeshadow. So see, now we kind of have the shape that we're gonna want. And then I am gonna add a little bit of Enchanted Forest. This really, really deep green right in here. Holy crap, these are pigmented. I'm like not used to using pigmented eyeshadows, so I'm like over here pressing it on very quickly. Boom, 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 boom. Really soften up these. So then we are gonna go in with our white. I don't know. Okay, I'll just use another brush to like set the white. I'm gonna go with my trusty dusty white brush, and we're gonna add in our whites. So I always start with the bottom whites because they're just the easiest for me to do personally on the bottom. Kind of shows me where I need to then connect them and add the eyeliner. So we are going to just go like that and continue that eye shape, going up and out. I like this for stage and stuff because it can really make you look like you have the biggest eyes of life. And there's no real white I like in this palette. I'm trying to be mean here. Maybe I'll just use Marshmallow Magic, but I don't know, it looks a little glittery, we'll see. And then you're just gonna go in and get the white dragging up from where you did your white on the bottom. And then you're just going to put it right under where you did all that eyeshadow. And you can kind of just follow the natural way that your eye will move. Okay. And then once we are done that, we are going to go in. I guess I'm just going to pack some of Marshmallow Magic on. Kind of this like off-white gold. Okay, she's pretty. Okay, so it's that color right above Leprechaun. So I'm just going in with that, and you can see it's kind of pretty. It doesn't have that much sparkle, but I'm sure if I wore it on as an inner corner highlight or on my lid like as just me, like not in the drag makeup, I'm sure it would be really, really pretty as just like, maybe let's put that on the brow. Yeah, ooh, that's a nice highlighter. Okay. I see you. You're in the game now. Ooh, this is a good lip brush. Okay, so this really tiny blue one, I'm going to use that for my lips. But I'm going to put on some eyeliner and lashes, and then I'll be right back. Whatever, it's fine. Then we're going to go in with this little brush, and then I'm going to go in with my little face paint color that's...
Oh no, nice nude.
And I find going in with a lip brush, my lips will look a lot better than when I go in with like a doe foot applicator or something. Like I hate, especially if the doe foot is really fat, it's like bleh. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with a little gloss. I find my lips are always so chapped that I can't even wear matte lipstick anymore. I have to have a gloss on.
Gloss on the blunt.
Where it's just like you can see every nasty little... And that's the signature Lucky face. What the? Forgot my little... Ting!
Wet.
And then we just wipe away that bake, and be very careful to not wipe your lips if you did do the gloss and not like a matte lipstick. And also, if you're worried about that powdery look, you can always go in with a setting spray, and I find that tones down the whole powdered situation so you won't look as like powdered. Anyways, I'm gonna change out of this bed shirt and then get into a signature Lucky look for you guys. So I'm gonna get into the look and be right back. But yeah guys, I really enjoyed these, and I really enjoyed the brushes. I wasn't expecting them to be so good, and like this palette is so pretty. Like Oh, this is my new like favorite rainbow palette that I have. Like, OMG. I am going to be using this all the time. Like, I love it. And the brushes were really good. I didn't expect because they're Morphe, but stay shook. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.